A march for equality. Tunisian women demanding parity with men in matters related to life and death. For these activists, the time has come for the country's inheritance law to change.
In our opinion, this is quite simply one of the last bastions of the patriarchy, because we're made to believe that these are issues regarding religion, but in fact, they're issues at the heart of patriarchy.
Last year, President Baji Qaid al-Sebsi announced a review of a law that says a woman should receive only half the share of an inheritance that a man does. Even in a country known in the region for being progressive when it comes to women's rights, the proposal was controversial. Bushra Bilhaj Hamida is a member of parliament who heads up the Commission of Individual Freedoms and Equality, a group that's drafting the revised rules and recommendations. While she's optimistic future generations will be granted more opportunities and liberties, she also explains how the subject of inheritance is a contentious one, and that the upcoming municipal elections in May could further complicate things.
This report was supposed to be issued to the President on February 20th, but we tried to avoid the election campaigns and wanted to keep the issue outside the realm of politics and any political tensions.
Last year, Parliament passed landmark laws criminalizing domestic violence and harassment in public spaces. While Tunisia's current legal system is a mixture of both civil and religious laws, conservatives are far from happy with the proposals on inheritance law. They say any and all matters related to inheritance are already enshrined in Islamic law and therefore should not be allowed to be challenged. According to members of a local women's rights group, things are improving, but more needs to be done.
Between the legal system and the reality lived by women, there is a gap. And for us, this is our mission today, how to make the laws and the reality closer to each other.
They say equality in inheritance is another important step in the right direction. One that will ultimately ensure society provides liberties and human dignity to men and women alike. Mohammed, Jamjoom, Jazeera, Tunis, Tunisia.